Ganda ng Nubia. Anong model to?
Neo 5 5G.
Nubia Neo 5
5G.
Neo 5 5G.
Magkano SRP?
Para siyang ano, Transformers yung mata niya, oh.
Ubus battery.
Ang gaming to, no?
And I know that you mentioned two important words, food and
Parang may event to
styling.
bukas, di ba? Punta ka ba?
I know this
Mega
is
Mall.
music to the ears of a lot of clients, a lot of soon-to-be bride and grooms, a lot
Okay.
of soon-to-be
Lahat ng
parents of the
nobya po,
debutante,
pula yung
and some
ganyan.
corporate events.
Sa kabila yung volume.
What is in store for anyone who would get your services right now on the spot?
So, other than of course, also the food. So for the
Yung kasi
food
minsan
provider
kulay yan
on the
eh.
spot for us. So we will be providing our
Signal yan,
action
signal.
stations.
Ano to? Wala naman to, no? Sensor ba to?
Wala, ano
Design lang,
lang yun.
design lang.
Design.
Along with that, some upgrades on
What?
food
Papin
selection.
nga, papin
We can
nga.
upgrade some of your dishes like the pork or the beef into a carving station, as well as additional options for your dessert and hors d'oeuvres, which we'll be serving later as well.
Yan, nako, titikim ako.
Oo naman, para sa'yo.
Maraming salamat Josiah. Thank you. Finally meet you, sir.
Great to meet you.
Ayan. I hope I did not miss any partners and suppliers. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And may I invite all the suppliers,
AI cam is photo.
caterers, and friends.
Ito yung photo niya. Wala siyang wide angle.
For our guests, for our
Portrait
soon-to-be
mode.
clients that we want to build
Camera
wonderful
family.
memories
50 megapixel
and
mode.
lasting
Portrait.
relationship here in
Portrait
Gathering
450
Expo.
AI
Ladies and
camera.
gentlemen, one of
Wala
the
siyang
things
wide
that I
angle.
need to articulate to everyone
Video.
is that tonight we are also acknowledging
Wala na siyang ibang operational na, ano, na camera. Yun lang yung ano niya.
So,
Ayun lang, wala nang mga slow-mo or ano.
when you register,
Pero meron siyang ano, 1080p lang. Pero meron siyang rock steady, ano, yung steady mode. Anti-shake. Ah, okay.
So,
Wala, nagka-crop
what's
siya.
going to happen is that using your
Okay, ah.
logo, as you hop from one booth to another, I want you to drop that logo.
Hello, Nubia.
Any of the booth that
Neo
you
5.
feel is
Neo 5.
Your best booth so far in your eyes. Because tonight, we are going to
Ano yung front camera niya?
in booth,
Ilang megapixel yung front
whether it's a
camera?
booth or a supplier's booth or any other small booths with us. Ayan. I hope po that you visit and I hope I did not miss any other announcement as the most important
HDR,
part of this
ano?
evening is to experience
AI camera.
good food.
Okay.
But
Oh, mga
before
games
that,
mo.
ladies and gentlemen,
Oh,
tonight,
kaya
this
Genshin, tsaka
experience
ano, Mobile Legends.
is also important. Our partners
Tapos tignan mo
have
yung-
prepared exclusive offers
siyang game
designed
Ano
to
yung game space?
provide
Para saan yung game
options
space?
as you plan your events.
Parang
here at
turbo
Bobby
mode to?
Events Hall.
Dito mo
So,
lahat ng
take
games
this
sa-
opportunity
Naka ano na, naka rep-separate na. Para dyan ka na lang mag-click.
Tapos,
On their booth, there's a
itong
small table
ano,
and
Gopher.
someone
Pang ano
can communicate and
additional
talk
na
about
ano,
all the
na
things that you
device.
probably
Kunwari may-
want.
May ano kang fan, handle.
There is a surprise.
So ano to, kailangan Nubia, ano siya, merge.
Nubia o Red Magic.
Red Magic.
Cameo
Okay,
Events Hall is also
Wow,
giving
galing,
away 10% discount
Galing,
for on-the-spot venue
Pang
reservation.
gaming talaga siya.
Alam mo kulay nito, alam mo kulay.
Yes, I can see the twinkle of the eyes of the
Gold yun,
stable.
gold.
All good.
Yes,
Ha?
make sure you do
Gagi.
your events here. 10% discount.
sir.
And this is the best way to start great evening celebration.
256, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 12 gigabytes. May plus 12 gigabytes of RAM.
They can just approach
6050 milliampere.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Octa-core, ano to? Ano to? Processor to? T9300. Wala, di ko alam to.
Ladies and gentlemen,
May sarili silang ano, processor
open.
chip, NEU5.
Please feel free to explore the stations, to experience flavors thoughtfully prepared by our partner
Ganda.
caterers
Wala yung
for
ilaw, no?
this evening.
Off natin.
And
Wala
what's
yung
a
ilaw.
beautiful event without good setup, without good food, with good ambiance and good sound system, without beautiful music. Ladies and
mangyari?
gentlemen, to give us good vibe for a beautiful event, please enjoy and relax in the
Nag-optimize siya for
atmosphere of
gaming.
live music
Pero
by
mabilis, ah.
Serenade Band. Ladies and gentlemen,
Nice,
dinner
nice.
is served. Bon appetit.
Okay, kain na na. Uy, namumulo siya,
Kaya
namumulo.
pag nag-gaming ka,
Oh, okay na. Thank you.